Okay, now I will go ahead to demonstrate how do you perform the CRUD operation on our Jupyter notebook. Our user will be just the employee clerks within this the stores, and they will allow to see everything except the hourly pay for each employee, but they will only allow to update item, product, transaction, and the supplier and customer. So that would be the day-to-day operations of the store. Um, Now allow me to share my screen. You open up the script. On the top, I have initiated all the instructions you need to put in your Anaconda prompt before running this program. So after input all of this, close your Anaconda, run the scan, and you will able to see everything. So to start off, you import and then you put in your username and password over here. So we have supported out Shine. This is one of our employees, and password 1234, and that will just be able to run like that. And then you run all of those below, it will pretty much just showed up. So our database overview over here, you can see this is our 7 tables, and this is what they're called in the interface. So feel free to just run this to check out what they looks like. Their primary key, row count, column count, and this is our cell volume. So I display this by hours because I just finished this program very recently. So it will just be make sense for me to display them by the hours. But obviously, if the volume increase, you can display by days. And this is our inventories display. You can see there some are sold, pending, and not sold. And this is our sale price and bulk price comparison. Um, so below you can see this is the initial interface, which comprises of create, update, and delete. And this is our read. So if you click on this and control enter, you will be able to see all of those tables that we had in the database. The dimensional overviews are the stores. And so if you want to input a tuple, you put like supplier, ID, product. I use drop down for this to be very less prone to make mistake. Um, and if you put like count and or just run it, this is a SQL feedback, and then this is my manual feedbacks. And product is the same. For suppliers, you put in a full name, but just to watch out over here, I have written a function that you are not allowed to put like a random string in there. You have to put a valid um, email in this. So make sure you do that. And for customer, same, but also credit card, you can not just put 16 digits number. You have to start with at least 4 to 8. So if you just start with 1 or 2, or even the 16 digits, it will not work because generally credit card start from 4 to 8. Transaction, so transactions actually quite big, but so all the transaction time will automatically be the what the date time now, and the dollar amount will be the amount that item it is, and then you select all the unsold items and the employees and the customers that bought it. This is what we just automatically set this item to pending, and we added this couple into the SQL database. For update, you can do all of those over here just to watch out for status, see if this, we can, after this item has been sold, you're allowed to change pending to sold, but make sure you only put sold into here. So let's see, this is item 7. Um, if you put like this, it will not work. You can only put like sold into this. And for size, you can put large, medium, small. Product is the same for IDs and all the prices. For numeric value, only put numeric value. Otherwise, it will come back to yell at you. See, if you put like this, it will just please provide the numeric value. Transact time. So if you want to put in like mm, May 19, it will not work. You have to put a valid date format like that to able to run, and items as delete. So you select this and it will just show up the to you review this tuple and you confirm you want to delete this, then this will be written into the SQL command. Same as transaction, you want to delete this, I will just delete like that. So thank you so much for watching. We appreciate this opportunities for working on this project. We have learned a lot working along with this, and yeah, just very exciting to be able to work with databases.